Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the sheet so formulas behave predictably. First, show the formula bar and toggle formula view. This lets you confirm structure. Next, set cell formats for numbers and dates and freeze headers so you don't lose context. Then, enter initial formulas like equals sum, a2, a10, and equals a2 asterisk b2 to validate references. Once done, check relative versus absolute references. Use $ to lock cells, because proper locking prevents errors as you expand formulas across rows and columns. Now you construct the core logic using functions and structure. Start with lookups like XLOOKUP or index plus match for robustness, and write if conditions to branch behavior. When formulas become complex, break them into helper columns. This improves readability and debugging. Use named ranges for clarity, and leverage dynamic arrays where available to spill results automatically. Make sure to test edge cases, such as empty cells or zeros, because handling those prevents divide by zero and incorrect matches as your workbook scales. Finish by validating results and locking the logic so it stays stable. You should test with sample data sets, use Excel's evaluate formula and error checking tools to trace issues, and document key assumptions in a note or hidden cell. Then protect sheets or specific cells to prevent accidental edits. If something goes wrong, first look for #ref or #div/0, errors and circular references. Often the fix is adjusting ranges or adding IFRA wrappers. Finally, make incremental saves so you can revert if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.